Welcome back guys in the another tutorial of Linux King. Here in this video I'll show you how to secure Grub boot menu in RHEL 7. But before I will tell you some basic information about Grub, that what are the changes occurred in Grub menu. Okay, here I will tell you some basic difference about the RHEL 7 and RHEL 5 and 6. Okay, so let's begin. Here it is. Okay, so first thing that comes here, that in RHEL 5 and 6 the default file of grub, okay, was /etc grub.conf. okay, but when we talk about RHEL 7 and 8, its name changed into the grub2. That should be keep in mind. You must keep in mind that its name is changed now and it's known as grub2. okay, next thing is its default directory. okay, it was etc grub.conf. now it has changed into as etc grub.d10 underscore linux. okay, this is the basic information that you must know, okay, before securing your boot. okay, so now let's start how to secure our grub. okay, so to secure our grub, as I already told that our default log file for grub2 is this one. okay, so here we have to make some couple of changes. That is, we have to remove this unrestricted text and main class destination from this file. okay, in RHEL 6 and 5 we directly add the password. okay, but here we have to first remove this text from this file, and next to this what we have to do, we have to set the password for root user, and then our grub boot menu will be secured. So let's begin. So let's start. okay, let's clear my screen. okay, now first we have to remove the unrestricted and class destination text from the file. okay, so for that we will use a command, that is sed. okay, sed -i. okay, inverted comma space inverted comma slash upper caps and uppercase class. okay, is equal to slash small s slash space hyphen unrestricted. okay, unrestricted slash inverted comma close. okay, now we have to provide the path of that file, that is etc grub dot d and 10 underscore linux. okay, so this is the file from which we want to remove this text. okay, now hit enter. now it will automatically delete this word from that file. okay, and next to this what we have to do, we have to add password to our root user. okay, for that we will type the command, that is grub2 set password. okay, this is the command through which it will set password for our grub boot menu. okay, here it is asking for the password. now we have to give the password. okay, you can give accordingly. here I am giving Deepak. okay, now hit enter. it is asking again the give same password here as well, and now hit enter. now it protected the root user with password. now what we have to do, this command create a file, that is name is user.cfg. okay, this is an encrypted file which protects the grub boot menu. okay, so where it stores at we have to change our directory. it stores in the file, that is it stores in the folder, that is boot. okay, and grub2. okay, here it stores. let's check. so here you can see the user .cfg file. okay, so let's check it. cat user cfg. okay, now you can see grub2 password. okay, what are the password from here, grub.pkd and up to here 39, it is the password, and it is encrypting our grub boot menu. okay, now let's check that our grub boot menu is secured or not. so we will restart our machine from here. okay, so init and 6. I am restarting my RHEL 7 here you have to use the arrow keys, okay. And after that what you will do on the upper one, okay, Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server 3.10, okay, 0.0-514, you type just E, okay. Here you can see press E to edit selected item, or C for command prompt. So here we will type E option, okay, E for edit on the first option, so type E. Now you can see here it is asking for the username, okay. So here we have to give the name of user, that is root, okay. Now it is here asking for the password that we gave during the password protection, okay. So I gave here Deepak, okay. So I am giving here Deepak, you can give what you have given, okay. So now hit enter. Now you can see that I came in the grub boot menu, okay. So the important thing which we must remind, that if somebody is familiar with this Linux operating system, okay, then if you are not protected your grub boot menu, then she can edit this grub boot menu, okay, and they can steal your information, okay. They can log in through single user mode and steal your information, okay. And they can also change its root password, okay. It is very important to secure your grub boot menu. So here I have shown you that how to protect grub boot menu, okay. So let's move forward. After pressing Ctrl X, it will restart this process, okay. Now if you want to remove this grub security, then what we have to do, okay, we have two different ways. That is, first one is we can add the same text that we removed from the etc grub.d10 linux file, okay, or we can remove the file that was created after setting up the password on root user, okay. The file was user.cfg. So okay, let's do how to remove the grub security, okay, grub password. So I am logging here, okay. Now you can see I am logged as the root user in my operating system. So here I will erase the file that was user.cfg, okay. Then we will see that our grub security is removed or not. We will reboot our system after removing that file, okay. So here open terminal. Now after that go to the same file, okay, that was at, let's go cd boot and grub2, okay, enter. Here we have to delete the file that was user.cfg, okay. So rm-rf and the file is user.cfg, okay. Now it is deleted. So after deleting this, our grub security will be removed. So let's check that it is removed or not, okay. So clear the screen first and init 6, okay. Now you can see my system is rebooting. So let's we will do again edit option, then we will see that it asks for password or not, okay. So wait, okay. Now here it is asking to select one of these options. So here we will select first option, okay, and then we have to press E, okay, to check that our grub security is removed or not. So I am pressing here E, okay. Now you can see that it is not asking for the password that we have set earlier, because we have removed the file that was user.cfg, okay. So in this way you can remove the security of grub, and you can also add the security to your grub boot menu. So guys, it is quite easy, and it is very important to keep security on grub boot menu, okay. As I told you, if somebody is familiar with Linux operating system and you are not protected your grub boot menu, then she may steal your information and change your password as well, okay. So you must be careful whenever you run your system. You have to protect your grub boot menu, okay. So guys, if you like my videos, please hit like option, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe my channel and also share this with your friends. Thank you guys for watching.